What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Crypto Talk. My name's Khalil, bringing you news, knowledge, tools, and resources in the crypto space. I finally got a camera, so you guys aren't getting information from a stranger anymore. And today I'm doing things a bit different. I've actually had a few people reach out to me since I started this YouTube channel, asking where they can buy cryptocurrency. The one place I always recommend for crypto beginners is the Coinbase exchange. And we're going to be going through a walkthrough of that today. So I hope it makes simple help for you guys. It provides valuable information. But yeah, let's jump right into it. So when you first get to Coinbase, you should be on the homepage like this, and from here you can actually see all the awesome things they offer, like jumpstarting your portfolio. When you sign up, you get $5 free, but if you guys use my referral code below in the descriptions, we actually both get $10 here. And of course, I don't want to steer you wrong. You do have to buy or sell $100 or more of crypto in order to receive that reward, but it's better than $5 in my opinion, and it would be a great way to support the channel. Back to it here though, you can also earn up to $28 worth of cryptocurrency by learning and discovering on how the specific cryptocurrencies work, such as their blockchain and governances. You can also create your portfolio today, manage it. You can set up reoccurring buys such as daily, weekly, monthly. They have vault protection for extra security, and it's not just a desktop wallet. You can use it on your mobile application, so that's pretty cool there. It's the most trusted cryptocurrency platform. Here's a few reasons why. Secure storage, protected by insurance, industry best practices. You can read more about them by clicking on the links there. They have 335 billion quarterly volume traded. That's every 3 months. 100 plus countries supported. And this is a company that started back in 2012 when cryptocurrency was just getting started, but now they have 56 plus million verified users. So it's a very secure exchange, and you can get started in just a few minutes by creating your account, link your bank account, and start buying and selling. Pretty simple there. Like I said, you can use my referral code in the description link below. If not, you just click get started at the top right. From here, guys, you're just going to put in basic information like your name, email, password. It will send a verification to your email. Once you verify that, you are going to have to put in more information required by law. Security standards like social security. That way you can buy and exchange cryptocurrency. It actually makes it more secure when you think about it. And it's just normal standards for a company that handles and transfers money. So once you get all your information entered, you're going to get to your main screen just like this. If you're on your phone, it may look a little different, but very similar. The very first thing you're going to want to do is go to your setting, and you're going to want to click in your account limit. And mine have already been completed, but you want to make sure you verify step 1, 2, and 3, or however many there are. That way you can actually send and receive cryptocurrency to other wallets if you want to in the future. Once you're done with that, head over to payment method. That way you can add either a debit or a checking account, and then from there you can actually buy cryptocurrency and send it back to yourself. Your portfolio is where you can see all your cryptocurrency, how much of it is in each percentage based on how much you have in your account. You can see your staking reward. Staking is when you leave your money in some of these cryptocurrencies, and by doing that, you're actually helping secure the network. So for that, you're getting rewarded in that cryptocurrency. It's a lot deeper than that, but that's for another video. You can check your prices. And this is where you can see all the cryptocurrencies ranked from 1 to 6,000, however many there are now. You can change it by the price. You can change it by the 24-hour, the 1 week, the 1 year chart, and you can change it by market cap, which is how much money is in that cryptocurrency at a given moment. You can set a watch list here, and by clicking on those stars when you do a watch list, if you go to your home page, you can actually see that watch list right here. From there, you have a For You tab where you can actually learn more about cryptocurrency, like what is the protocol, how can you send it, what is the Bitcoin halving. Lots of great information and news updates from education, normal news, and getting more cryptocurrency. They provide you information on how to stake, how to get more cryptocurrency as passive income. This is a great way to build your wealth portfolio in the future, guys. You can also earn rewards. We've talked about that by setting up a recurring buy, inviting friends such as a referral code, and you got all these coins that you can stake that I was talking about before. Last tab you have is your notifications, and obviously this is just notifications on anything like your watch list alerts or any staking rewards. Staking is very important in the time that we're living in right now, guys. It's a way to build passive income. And the bank, they're supposed to be giving you up to 1 to 3% per year for you to leave your money in the bank. Well, what the bank does is turns around and they loan that money out for 20 to 25%, 5, 10, 15 times worth what you're getting. And it's not fair. Where in crypto land, you can get rewards of up to 2%, 4%, 5%, more money back to the people. And there's other exchanges and wallets that go as high as 10%, 15%, guys. And that's just the beginning of where this goes. You have things like yield farming that supply 500. I've seen 1,000%, but they're very risky. And this is why you want to just get the basics down in crypto before you head off into that universe. From there, this part's very important, guys. This is how we buy, send, sell, and receive cryptocurrency. So at the top right hand corner, you have both your buy, sell, send, and receive buttons. The first one we're going to hit is the buy, sell. Buying and selling works almost the same here. You type your amount in. Is for buying, is it a one-time purchase? Is it a weekly, every day, reoccurring one? Are you buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, any other cryptocurrencies that you've watched out for on your watch list? Are you paying with a debit, checking, a wire transfer? And then you preview your buy, and then you want to make sure it's correct before you actually hit buy now. Same thing, it works for selling. You know, if you want to sell however much or convert a cryptocurrency for another cryptocurrency. The next part is a little confusing. This is how you send and receive. Sending and receiving cryptocurrency is probably the most confusing part when you first enter this space. But let's go to receive so you can understand how to send it a little easier. Now there's two ways. You can either have someone scan this QR code and then they'll be able to send it to you directly, very easy. Vice versa, someone pulls this up on their side, you scan their QR code, it'll pull up their information, that way you can send them whatever cryptocurrency. The other way is by sending a public address. Each cryptocurrency has its own public address. And what I mean by that is Cosmos right here has a Cosmos address. If we go to something like the Graph, it has its own address. And one more, let's say Bitcoin, it has its own kind of address. And you can't send another cryptocurrency to a different one. What I mean by that is you can't send Bitcoin to Ethereum or Bitcoin to Cardano. It has to be Bitcoin to Bitcoin. If you send it to another cryptocurrency, you lose that money forever, which is not good, guys. So I've never made that mistake. But please always make sure you check your information before you send or receive anything, okay? You copy this address here, right? And you send it to whoever needs to send you money, and they would go to send, type in that address. This is the most verifiable way on the blockchain. And then they would send it. So they would take this public address here. They would go to send, make sure it's Bitcoin. They would put in that address, and they would send however much they're trying to send me, just like if you were to go on PayPal and send someone $20 or Cash App. This is just through cryptocurrency. And it is a little bit confusing, like I said, when you first start off, but as you get used to it, it becomes easier over time. And I would just check a few more videos to make sure you understand it in its most raw form. And there you guys have it. You now know how to navigate Coinbase, trade, exchange cryptocurrencies. Go to the For You section. You can learn about cryptocurrencies, earn crypto for learning, learn and earn, you know what I'm saying? Earn more rewards just by staking, passive income, guys. Throw money in there over time. It's gonna build. That's how building wealth happens. I hope this was valuable information. I'm not a financial advisor or a professional. I just love crypto, and I've been in the markets for a while now. Leave some comments below. I will leave you my referral links below as well. It would help support the channel. Also, to help support the channel, if you can subscribe, that way you don't miss out on any videos. Smash that like button for me. And I'm out for the day. Safe investing.